Now, types of riveting joints. See, when you are joining the two sheets with a rivet, not a small strip of the sheet we are joining, a big sheets, 1 into 1 feet sheet or bucket length, width of the sheet is more, number of chain riveting has to be done. So, what you are doing? Different types of rivet joints are made. First one is single rivet joint. Single riveted lap joint. Okay. Single riveted lap joint. This is sheet 1 over on the top. What we are putting is called lapping. Okay. Single means the row of rivet will be single. Okay, this is where they do single. Single means what? A single line, number of rivets in the single line. Okay, number of rivets in the single line is called single. Number of rivets in single line is row is called number of row. Only one row is a rivet line. So that is single riveted lap joint. Lap means the sheet is lapped. Now this one will be generally they'll do drawing in this way. Right. Single riveting lap joint. Okay. Now same way, if it is double riveting lap joint. Double riveting lap joint. Now what we'll do? Here we'll do the riveting, but not a single row, two rows we are doing. Two rows. Okay. Now here is one rivet, here is one rivet, here is one rivet, here is one rivet. Here is one rivet, here is one rivet, here is one rivet. Now how many rows are there rivets? Two rows. Okay. Now these rows are two. That is called double. Okay. But joint is lap only, lap joint only. Okay. If the rivets row is one row, single row, lap joint. If the rivet rows are two numbers, double row, lap joint. Now, this is a one way of doing lap joint and two methods of single and double. Now we'll do single strip lap joint. Okay. Single strip lap joint. Now this single strip lap joint. Single strip lap joint. Now we are doing single strip lap joint. Means two sheets are kept at the bottom same level. On the top one more strip what we are putting, and that we are doing a single strip lap joint. Means for one sheet one row of line, one sheet one row of line is. Now double strip, double lap joint. Double strip, double lap. This is not lap joint. This is butt joint. Okay. Now this is single row. See, the sheet is not overlap on the top. Sheet is kept side by side, and the sheet also kept side by side. On that one strip, what they arrange, it should have a width of one row has to go, and the diameter what we selected, how much overlap in between the rivet, how much distance, that all we taught in the last class. Okay. Now in this way, putting one strip on these two sheets to be joined, and two rows of means one row in the one sheet, one row in the second sheet. That is called single strip butt. Now see, double strip butt joint. Now we will make a double strip butt joint, but one more strip also at the bottom we will use. One more strip also at the bottom we will use. One more strip. One more. So here they see single strip means one strip, double strip means on the top and the bottom also. This is, if one strip is kept, one strip, if two strips are kept, double strip. This is a single row, single strip, double strip, but this is single row only. What riveting is single row. Single row. This one also single row. Now we do the double row also. Okay. Now this, if we do the drawing in this way, like this. Now see, single strip butt joint, single row. Double strip butt joint, single row. Here. Okay, now double strip, double row. See, these two pieces actually we joining. These two pieces actually we joining. Okay, with two strips at the bottom one and the bottom and top. Okay, now here for this sheet, two rows are there. Two rows are there. On this sheet, two rows are there. That is double strip, single row of it. Okay. Here we will get now we are doing double because we will tell double row. Double row. Okay. Now double strip, butt joint, double row. Okay. Now see, this is not for the thin sheets like that they use for ship industries and all, because number of rows will support more strength and leaking gas will be less. So now if this also is not sufficient, they will go for another method of doing riveting. Okay, this one when you see in side view, it will be in the like this. Okay. See, double strip, double row. On the one side double row, on the other side is double row. Now we have the zigzag riveting also. Now we have the zigzag riveting. Now this zigzag riveting, single riveted lap joint. Okay. Now single riveted lap, single rivet lap, single lap, not single, zigzag riveting lap joint. Okay, double riveted lap joint. Here already I wrote here. Okay, like zigzag riveting, double riveted lap joint. Double riveted lap joint. Okay. Now if lapping is done and zigzag way. See, before it was parallel to here. Now what will do? Riveting here. But the next row will be not parallel to rivets will be in parallel line, but it will not opposite to this rivet. It will be little zigzag. Okay. It will have triangle shape. It will have triangle shape. It will have triangle shape. Zigzag riveting they will do. Okay. This is a, see, riveting is done in zigzag. Okay, zigzag. So this is zigzag. But whenever you do zigzag, the rivet will be in the two rows. Double, this lapping will be butt joint also sometimes. They will do butt joint also. Here also zigzag will be there. Okay. Riveting lap joint, zigzag. Sometimes we cannot double rivet, we cannot zigzag riveting lap joint also we can tell. Zigzag riveting lap joint also we can tell. As in this we will get a double row. In the butt double. DOUB. Zigzag riveting. Butt joint. when you do butt joint riveting in this way, 2 rows will be forming. Okay, like this. Okay, on this one sheet it will come here riveting, here also one sheet it will come riveting. This is different method of because of this for strength purpose and not to leak and all. Happen the time.